Education Minister Lahkmen Rymbui inaugurated the commerce stream of Nongtalang College in Amlaram subdivision, West Jaintia Hills on Tuesday. This initiative was taken by Rymbui during his tenure as Education Minister, in accordance with the guidelines of the National Education Policy (NEP). After 35 years of serving the region, Nongtalang College will now offer the Class 11 commerce stream, aiming to bring education closer to the people. Prior to the introduction of the commerce stream, Nongtalang College was selected under the People's College as notified on January 9, 2023. This designation will assist the payment of salaries for the 5 teachers in the commerce stream. During his address, Rymbui emphasized the necessity of the CUET, the Common University Entrance Test for final semester degree course students, as it is a prerequisite for further studies.
And every stakeholder has to move the right direction. They have innovated, they have to fulfill many regulations. I'm very proud that Nongtalang College has moved in the right direction, as I said.